Hi there, people. I know. I keep you waiting. I see the last episode on this V12 engine. It's 20 May 2017. I think 30 years. 3 years. We arrived on the turbocharger. Now I want to make the crankshaft bearing cap. Sorry, because I start to make the same engine. I think you noticed that I made that on Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. That takes me time and working in parallel. Okay, what I want to do first, I want to fix this one because now I'm on Inventor 2020. Something changed here, the color and other things, but the logic and the basic thing is the same thing. Okay, I want to isolate this one, isolate it. Okay, I want to say that, and I will create a new part on the assembly. What I want to do that because I want the reference of the cylinder block, because when we made the cylinder head, I don't have this information. In that Inventor you can do the add a part on the assembly. Okay, and now I prefer to make the part on the assembly, so for that to have the reference of another part. I want to select this one. As you can see, the visibility, you have now the system part here. You have just to choose the plan. Now you are on the sketch mode. What you have to do is just to select this surface and project. We have to project to region. Okay, I asked you a question on post, I think, or story. You told me that you are using Inventor 2020. I think this software is too good to work with. As you can see here, when you project all, just draw line like this one by one. I don't have another method to make them all at once, but you can, if you want to discover rectangular repetition, I think you can do it, but I prefer to make it one by one. I want to do that because after, when I will use the Revolve feature, I will use the same sketch, just make it like that. Okay, now I want to add a new line here, separate all. This one I will use it running out my battery, because what I want to do, the center line, just to make a revolve after. That's the second feature. Okay, make sure that your profile is closed here because with the axis you can see that it's not line. When you have this, you can show on the block, cylinder block, and you can select one by one. If you are using the Inventor 19, I think you can't select a region like that, but the solution for you is to make more one by one the extrusion and make combine. Okay, you will combine all the bodies and you will have the same result. Okay, make 45 here. Okay, change the direction, click OK, and now you have your part. Okay, notice that you have your sketch here. As you can see, I will hide this to see it. You can't see it. Let's make a revolve here. As you can see, you can share the sketch. The problem here, the adaptative is check on. You have just check off the adaptative or adaptativity. Okay, and now you have share sketch. As you can see, now when you go on Revolve feature, as you can see, you can select this one using a control. Select all of these surfaces, and you have just select max. This is here. Make sure that cut tip is on, and you have nice result here. Now you can put adaptativity if you want, or I want to say to hide the sketch. Okay, let's change the material. Let's make aluminum. Okay, let's return to the whole assembly, and now we are in the isolate mode. Just click here and unisolate all, and now we have our bearing crankshaft bearing cap. Okay, we have nice render here. Okay, save your file, make sure that I think it's alright here. Okay, you can open it and see that's your part. It's the same when you work and it's the same when you make it independent, but here that's the as you can see here, the problem now it's not coincident with the block, the cylinder block. As you can see, when we draw it on the bottom, you can't move it on the z-axis. What you have to do is just to add the constraint here. It's too easy. Just select one by one these surfaces. Okay, and as you can see, just change this option here, click OK. The same thing in other surfaces, click OK, and you have a nice result. Okay, I will tell you, see you in the next episode. We will make the oil tank. Thanks, subscribe, and find you in the next episode. Thanks.